This skeleton belongs to American Museum of Natural History. Find out the name of the animal to which this skeleton belongs. Does this animal still exist? अच्छा जी, अब इस एक्टिविटी में आपने करना क्या है? दिस इज अ स्केलेटन, अमेरिकन म्यूजियम नेचुरल हिस्ट्री से जो बिलोंग करता है. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू सर्च इट्स नेम एंड देन राइट डज दिस एनिमल एग्जिस्ट और नॉट. So what is the name of this skeleton? The name of this skeleton is Tyrannosaurus rex. It is a type of dinosaurs and it does not exist now. It was one of the largest dinosaurs that ever existed. This belongs to a group of reptiles. It has the 4-foot long jaw, 6-inch long teeth and tiny arms. The first skeleton of Tyrannosaurus rex was discovered in 1902 in Hell Creek. Now open the page number 31. Activity number 2. Label the bones of the skeleton, color them, cut them and then glue or staple the skeleton together on the next page. अब आपने इस एक्टिविटी में करना क्या है कि बोन्स जो स्केलेटन की हैं उन्हें सेपरेट करना है, उसमें कलर करना है और उसको नेक्स्ट पेज के ऊपर आपने पेस्ट करना है. लाइक दिस इज द स्केलेटन ऑफ ह्यूमन. इसको आपने लेबल भी करना है और साथ में कलर भी करना है. दिस इज कॉल्ड अ क्रेनियम, वर्टिब्रा, रिब्स, स्टर्नम, ह्यूमरस, स्कैपुला, रेडियस, अल्ना, पेल्विक, फेमस, पेटेला, fibula, tibia and talus. On page number 34, activity number 3, draw the animal around the animal skeleton. These are the skeleton of the animal and color. First one, the skull blue. Skull में आपने कौन सा कलर करना है? Blue. Leg bones green color में and the spine red. First, I'll tell you the name of these skeleton. First one is deer. Second, tiger. Third, frog. Fourth one is called pelicans. और अब आपने इसको कलर कैसे करना है? स्कल. दिस इज अ स्कल. सो इसमें आपने कौन सा कलर करना था? स्कल में ब्लू. बोन्स, लेग बोन्स ग्रीन एंड स्पाइन रेड. दिस इज अ स्पाइनल कॉर्ड. इसमें कौन सा कलर करना है? रेड. On page number 35, activity number 4, how are these skeletons unique in their characteristics? This is a skeleton of a fish and this is a skeleton of a snake. First one, fish. The main features of fish are it consists of vertebral column. इसके main features क्या हैं? ये क्या क्या consist करता है? Vertebral column इसके अंदर मौजूद होता है. Jaw, ribs, cranium and intramuscular bones. Gills are the pair of the respiratory organ of fish and some amphibians. गिल्स क्या करते हैं? गिल्स के जरिए ये एम्फीबियंस, कुछ एम्फीबियंस और फिशेस सांस लेते हैं. ठीक है. एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज स्नेक स्केलेटन. A snake's backbone is made up of many vertebra attached to the ribs. इसकी बैकबोन में जो रिब्स होते हैं वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा अटैच्ड होते हैं. ठीक है, आपस में वर्टिब्रा अटैच होते हैं. स्नेक्स हैव बीन 200 to 400 वर्टिब्रा. एक स्नेक के अंदर 200 से 400 वर्टिब्रा मौजूद होते हैं विद एज मैनी रिब्स अटैच्ड. जो कि किसके साथ अटैच होते हैं? बहुत ज़्यादा रिब्स के साथ अटैच होते हैं. ऑल द बोन्स एंड द स्ट्रॉन्ग मसल्स प्रोटेक्ट द इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स. अब इनका काम क्या है? जो स्ट्रॉन्ग मसल्स मौजूद होंगे स्नेक्स के अंदर या जो बोन्स होंगी वो इसके इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स को प्रोटेक्ट कर रहे होते हैं, उसकी हिफाजत कर रहे होते हैं. नाउ ओपन द पेज. बोन्स आर ह्यूमरस, रेडियस, अल्ना एंड जॉइंट्स विच आर प्रेजेंट इन रिस्ट. Hinge is present in elbow. Ball and socket is present in shoulder. Second one is cricket. Third one is football. To do this activity, you need ice cream sticks, rubber band or inflated balloon, and hinge, tape or thread. So first step is create a triangle from 2 wooden pieces, a hinge and a rubber band or an inflated long balloon. Move the sticks and observe carefully. So first question is, which part of your model resembles bone? So ice cream stick. Second one, which part of your model resembles joint? Hinge, joint, tape. Which part of your model works as a muscle? Rubber band. Mention the parts of your body that moves in the same pattern as your model. Legs or hands if your body is moving. In activity 9, when you move your legs, feet, hands or arms, the muscles that move them are pulled or squeezed. In the picture below, color the muscles that is being pulled green and a muscle that is being squeezed as red. So this is called a bicep. This is called a tricep. So the bicep is squeezed. So fill the color red. And the tricep, which is this, is pulled. So fill green color in it. Second question is, locate the tendon in the picture above and circle it. This is the tendon. What is the function of this tendon? The main function of tendon is to connect skeletal muscle to bones. Main function क्या है? skeletal muscles को किससे connect कर रहा होता है? Bones से. How can you keep your muscle healthy? We can keep our muscle healthy by taking proper food, doing exercise regularly, consume enough protein and get variety of vitamin D and vitamin K. Activity number 10 is contrast between invertebrates and invertebrates. Animals that have backbone are called vertebrates. Animals that do not have backbone are called invertebrates. There are 5 main groups of vertebrates. There are 6 main groups of invertebrates. These are the large animals and these are the small and slowly moving animals. This include fish, amphibians and reptiles. It includes jellyfish, worms and mollusks. So this is the animal kingdom. Animal kingdom, vertebrate, invertebrate. These are the types of vertebrates and these include in invertebrate. Activity number 11, fill in the missing words. First one is animal that has backbone is called vertebrate. Animal which do not have backbone called invertebrate. There are 5 main groups of vertebrates and 6 main groups of invertebrates. 5 main group of vertebrates are mammals, reptiles, fish, amphibians and birds. Insects like ants and bees are invertebrates. Octopus and snail are cuttlefish, are mollusk that lives in the sea. Most reptiles and fish are cold-blooded. Mammals and birds are warm-blooded. Now what is the difference between cold-blooded and warm-blooded animal? Animal that produces heat by their own and regulate their consistent body temperature in any environment, this is called a cold-blooded animal. And the animals which maintain their body temperature according to the changes in an environment are called warm-blooded animals. Eighth one is birds and reptiles lay eggs. All invertebrates lay eggs. Animals like scorpion and sea urchin are called arachnids. They have hard bodies called an exoskeleton. Activity number 12 is complete the crossword puzzles using what you know about the subject. So this is the word bank. By using this word bank, you have to solve this cross puzzle. Activity number 13 is identify the group that matches each example. First one is lives in damp places, often in water, simple leaves but no roots, stems or flowers. Damp means nami. So plant group is mosses. Lives in many environments, leaves in many shapes. Angiosperm usually lives in damp shaded places. Are fern usually lives in water, either floating means तैरना, or attached to the bottom is algae. In activity number 14, some of them are flowering plants. So circle the flowering plants. These are the flowers of the plant. Color the plant that produces spores. Moss and fern produces spore. So fill the color green. And the plant that produces cones, brown. Cypress produce cone. So fill this plant with the color brown. In activity number 15, this is the science activity. So you need 10 to 20 seeds of beans and soak them overnight. Wet 2 pieces of cotton and place one in each container. Next, place 10 seeds on each piece of cotton. Place one container in the dark and one in the light. Add water as needed so the cotton does not dry out. Wait about 5 days. After 5 days, the result is after 2 to 3 days, beans started to grow. One of the bean in the dark and one not in the dark started sprouting at the same time. जब दोनों सेम टाइम पे स्प्राउट कर रहे हैं तो इसका क्या मीनिंग होगा? सो इट्स मीन दिस टेल्स दैट लाइट हैज़ लिटिल टू डू विद इट. लाइट की से बहुत थोड़ी सी ज़रूरत होती है. बीन्स के अंदर खुद अपनी इतनी एनर्जी होती है कि वो ग्रो करना स्टार्ट कर देता है. एक्टिविटी नंबर 16 इज ड्रॉ अ साइकिल दैट शोज द स्टेजेस ऑफ सीड जर्मिनेशन. सो दिस इज द लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ सीड जर्मिनेशन. The seed soaks up water from the ground. When the food inside the seed broke down, it releases energy. The embryo plant gets too big for its seeds and break through the case. And the first parts of the plant to break through the seeds are roots. In the next, cotyledon emerge होगा and then shoots break हो जाएंगी and then it started to produce its own food. Now, the plant produces its own food. It grows more leaves. In activity number 17, the material required freezers, 3 bowls of equal size and shape, sticky labels, marker, water, measuring cup, thermometer, notebook and pencil. So, this is the group activity, so we can solve it in a school. So, skip it for now, we'll do it later. Activity number 18 is fill in the blanks. The nervous system has 2 main parts, CNS and PNS, central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Second one is the blood moves in tubes called blood vessels. In the lungs, there are tiny air sacs called alveoli. Mammals are divided into 3 groups. Names क्या हैं इनके? monotremes, marsupials and placentals. Microorganisms that destroy other microorganisms are used in vaccines. इनको vaccines में use किया जाता है. Hearts के chambers कितने हैं? 4. Cardiac muscle are heart muscle. Plants which produce their seed in cones are called conifers. Activity number 19 is write which group each animal belongs to and what feature it has that tells you so. First one is pigeon. So a pigeon is a bird. I know because it has feathers. A lizard is a reptile. I know because it has scale. Cat is mammal because it has hair on skin. A frog is an amphibian because it has slimy skin. Goldfish is an amphibian because it has scales and fins. Activity number 20. We will do it in school because it's a teamwork. So skip it for now. We'll do it later. Activity number 21. Collect the pictures of plants and animals and paste them in the respective boxes. Note, you can also draw plants and animals. Forest, herbs. Herbs हम कहते हैं जड़ी बूटियों को. Forest, shrubs. Shrubs हम कहते हैं जो झाड़ियाँ होती हैं. Deciduous trees. Falling off at maturity. जो maturity की एज में जाके गिरना शुरू हो जाते हैं. Evergreen tree जो हमेशा रहते हैं. Paste the picture of forest floor animals, woodland animals, like woodland elements like birds, moths, butterflies. You can also draw the pictures of these animals and plants. Activity number 22, draw and label a diagram of digestive system. So this is the labeled diagram of digestive system, human digestive system. Activity number 23 is draw and